Hello guys, this is Saurabh. Welcome back to another tutorial. So in this video we are going to learn about images. So here you can see that's the image component here, and we are going to make a gallery app here, right? You can see that's the gallery app of our app like this. You can add up to a lot of images here. Let's create this app. So go to the project here, and I'm going to start another project, image. And this is the image component to display the images. Okay, so this component is mainly used for display your images. Okay, so let's start with this component. First we need to use here layout. Okay, so I'm going to use here one horizontal arrangement layout, and second one is horizontal scroll arrangement. Okay, there's a difference between both. Okay, so that one, so I'm going to use second one here, and first one is there. So I'm going to use it like fill parent height. Height should be something 10%, and width should be fill parent like this, and this also going to fill parent in a height, and with also fill parent. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So I'm going to use here one label to display some text. So I'm going to use it like this here. And now I'm going to change the horizontal arrangement default color to, it should be showing. Okay, that's fine. Great. So we are going to use here vertical arrangement here, right? So drag and drop this, and height is fill parent, but be careful, width is now only 20%. Okay, like this, and I'm going to again use it, and this also width is 20%, and height is fill parent, and again I'm going to use this one, and width is 20%, and height should be fill parent like this. Now I'm going to use here images. Okay, so here is my images component, that one. So drag and drop this image, 1, 2 and 3, simple. And now you have to choose the images, picture, upload files, choose file, and image 1 going to upload. Let's take, okay, fine. Then second picture, upload file, choose file, do it 3 times, and you can upload a lot of images here, so don't worry about that. And but yeah, there's a limitation of size of app, something 10 MB, so be careful about this. Okay, and fine. Now what should we have to do? Go to the vertical arrangement, and width should be 100%. That's fine. And this one center, this one is also center. Go to the, then again width, it's going to be also 100%. You cannot see here, actually this one is in height right now. Okay, I'm going to show you in a live this, and center, this one also center, width is 100%. Very simple now. Okay, so automatic. So now I'm going to, in my app here, you can see that's my app here, and I have to scroll this image like this. So second image, and that one is my third image. So that's the gallery we have created, and using the only images. We are not using here any extension. You can use, there are a lot of extension to make this gallery more perfect. Okay, so actually we are learning here, so we are just going to use only images to make this gallery. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment, and please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.